walk through your school, your head facing down, afraid to talk to anyone and never speak out loud. They laugh at you because you're not them, and you don't know if the nightmare's gonna end. Oh, will it ever end? Oh, get off your knees. You know that it's wrong. And don't you know the God that you are leaning on? You're beautiful, you're smart and prized, and you are more than perfect in Father's eyes. One of God. You're one of a kind. He starts talking to you, tells you what you wanna hear, and he takes advantage of all your doubts and fears. Give yourself to him, he said, then you'll be loved. But if you see that it's not enough, it'll never be enough. But get off your knees. You know that it's wrong. And don't you know the God that you are leaning on? You're beautiful, you're smart and prized, and you are more than perfect in the Father's eyes. So take what's good and leave out all the rest, 'cause you don't need someone to validate yourself. You're one of a kind. You're one of a